fryer comes with this frying basket which can be used at bake mode, air frying mode. To use it, place it on your drip tray and slide in your Agaro Regal air fryer. The tray removal handle can be used to place the drip tray in the air fryer as well as to remove it easily while it's hot. You also get a pair of heat-resistant silicone oven mitts with this air fryer. The rotisserie shaft can be used to make a variety of tikka and grill preparations, be it vegetarian or non-vegetarian. The rotisserie fetch tool can be used to place and remove the rotisserie shaft, air frying basket as well as skewer basket in this air fryer. The rotisserie basket is well ventilated and keeps rotating and hence is best for roasting peanuts or air frying french fries and many such delicacies. The skewers can be arranged on a rotating drum using the rotisserie shaft and can be used to make a lot of tikkas in one go. The air fryer also comes with a
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.